Hi, and welcome to this brief overview of the changes in my Lorem Ipsum plugin for Adobe XD version 1.3.0. My name is Pablo Klaschka, I'm the plugin's developer, and without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first very big change is that from now on, the plugin is officially open source and hosted on GitHub. This means that if you search on GitHub for pklaschka/lorem-ipsum-plugin, you will find the official repository containing all the source code of the plugin and all the resources there are, basically. This, of course, also means that you can use the issues to see which bugs are already reported, which bugs are being worked on, etc. You can contribute yourself by, for example, adding some placeholder texts in this source placeholder-texts.json and opening a pull request. So it may be included in the next version because, of course, I don't know so many languages and so can only contribute placeholder texts to the languages which I'm familiar with. There are a lot of fixed bugs, etc. And there's at least one small new feature which could make your process of creating placeholder text even faster than before. Let's take a look at that. I'll open a blank document inside Adobe XD. And as you may know, before, if I wanted to insert placeholder text using the plugin, I had to drag open a text area and then enter some characters, really random characters, to exit this editing mode to then be able to run the plugin using Control-Alt-L or Command-Option-L on a Mac and then insert this placeholder text. This is because when you drag open the text area inside XD and click outside of it, when there's no content, XD will automatically delete this text area, meaning you can't just drag open this text area and try to run the plugin because the text area is already deleted by the time you open this plugin. From now on, however, it is possible to convert rectangles to text areas with fitting dimensions and insert placeholder text into them using the Lorem Ipsum plugin. To demonstrate this, I'll just create a rectangle here, run the plugin once again, insert some placeholder text, and as you can see, the placeholder text gets inserted and the dimensions match the dimensions of the rectangle. This, by the way, also works if you have a rectangle which is, for example, rotated in some strange way, as you can see here. Aside from that, there were also a lot of smaller bugs fixed, which are, however, too small to go into detail about here. This then already does it for this version. My name is Pablo Klaschka. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, find any bugs, have feature requests, or any other feedback, feel free to contact me via one of the possibilities linked below in the description. And until next time, have fun designing.